Hey everybody, Mariana with Three Peaks Classroom. I'm so excited to share this story with you today. If you've never read it, it's called Mama Panya's Pancakes and it's by Barefoot Books. I love this story. It's a perfect story to read for kindergarten age students, maybe grade 1, 2, 3. It's such a cute story. It's about a little village from Kenya, and a little boy is going to the market with his mom, and they're deciding that they're going to make pancakes for supper that night. Now, they use the word pancakes, but you can think of it in terms of like tortilla or naan bread, or just flatbread in general. And the little boy is so excited, and they have a couple of coins, and they're going to the village to get just a few little ingredients that they need. And on the way, the little boy is inviting pretty much the entire village to come and join them, and the mother is worried. She is so concerned that they're not going to have enough food to feed everybody, and it's going to be embarrassing. But the little boy doesn't have a care in the world, and he keeps saying, "Oh, it's okay, Mama. Yeah, no, Mama's making pancakes. Come on over." And the story ends with everybody in the village coming and bringing something towards the feast. So we have some fish, we have some people bringing music, we have some people bringing spices and flour, and it's just a gorgeous story about community and coming together. So they actually do, in the story, give you a recipe that you can use. There you go, Mama Panya's Pancakes. And so it talks about flour, water, oil, salt, cardamom, and red pepper chili flakes. And it also gives you a map of Kenya and a little bit of facts about Kenya. It also tells you how you can speak some Kiswahili words and some interesting things that you might see in Kenya as well. This book is just perfect for those little readers. So I hope you enjoy reading this story as much as I love having it in my classroom. Thank you so much for tuning in and catching my recommendation for my Canadian Black History Month series. Yesterday we talked about this book, Let's Talk About Race, and I explained an activity that you could do in your class. I think it's kind of obvious. The activity that you could do with your students is you can make the pancakes as a community in your classroom. I think that would be so much fun. Awesome. Have a great day, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button so you can catch the rest of my books. I have 6 more in my series now. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.